Imagine a world where every click, every swipe, every digital interaction is like stepping on a digital banana peel. A world where malicious entities lie in wait, ready to snatch your personal information, your bank details, your identity. Welcome to the world of cybersecurity. Cybersecurity is the practice safeguarding computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from digital onslaughts. It's a world where we're the superheroes, armed superpowers like codes and keys, firewalls and encryption, antivirus software and secure networks. We are the last line of defense against the villains of the digital world. Buckle up, it's going to be a wild ride. Encryption. You can think of it as a secret language that only you and your computer can understand, kind of like passing secret notes in class, but significantly cooler. It's a process that transforms your data into a code to prevent unauthorized access, ensuring your information is kept safe in inquisitive eyes. And what about firewalls? They serve as the uncompromising bouncers at the door to your digital world. Their role is to scrutinize and manage incoming and outgoing network traffic in accordance with pre-established security rules. No password, no entry. They ensure the bad guys stay out. Antivirus software is your personal bodyguard, always ready to take a bullet for you. It scans, identifies, and eradicates viruses and other nasty stuff, ensuring the safety and resilience of your computer. But cybersecurity isn't just about defense, it's about knowing your enemy. From viruses that are like digital gremlins messing up your computer, to phishing attempts that are like those annoying scam calls, to ransomware that's like a digital hostage situation. It's a wild world out there, folks. Want to join the ranks of cybersecurity superheroes? It all starts with education. Perhaps it will be a degree in computer science, information systems, or even a dedicated cybersecurity program. But the adventure doesn't end there. You're going to need to bring some mad skills to the table. We're talking problem solving, critical thinking, and an insatiable love for all things technology. Want to level up your skills? The digital world is your oyster. There are abundant online resources available to help you advance. Websites, online courses, webinars, and forums are just a few clicks away. Now, are you ready to start your journey? The career opportunities in cybersecurity are as vast as the digital universe. From security analysts who serve as digital detectives, identifying and neutralizing threats, to ethical hackers, the Robin Hoods of the internet, intentionally hacking systems to locate and mend vulnerabilities, to compliance officers, the referees of the digital world, ensuring everyone plays by the rules and organizations follow legal and regulatory requirements. The digital world is crying out for cybersecurity professionals. As our universe continues to be more digitized, the need for guardians who can protect and secure our data becomes more paramount. But it's not just about landing a job. In the dynamic realm of cybersecurity, you've got to keep leveling up, constantly learning and staying in tune with the latest trends. Think of networking as collecting power-ups in a video game, opening doors to new opportunities and aiding you in ascending the career ladder. To sum it all up, cybersecurity is much like an unending video game. It's a universe where the eternal conflict between virtue and vice unfolds in complex codes, keys, firewalls, and encryption. It's a universe that necessitates perpetual learning, a deep-seated curiosity about technology, and a robust yearning to safeguard the digital realm. Game presents a wealth of power-ups and levels for those who are prepared to face the challenge. So, are you ready to join the game of cybersecurity? Your journey begins now.